How to check Frontier Airlines flight status by city or flight number. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search flyfrontier.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. You will find flight status. Simply scroll down in flight status and click on from where. You can select flight number or flight by cities at the top as well. Now add from where you are going and to where. Then select flight date. After you've selected flight date, press on search. After you've pressed on search, you will find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find all the flight status. Simply search for your status and you're good to go, as you'll find flight numbers, depart time, estimated time, arrive time, and other options. This is how to check Frontier Airlines flight status by city or flight number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.